All right, let's make some wings. This is my first time using this Ninja Crispi. So let's make wings. So first thing we want to do is, we already washed the chicken, dried it. So let's put a little olive oil on it. Make sure it's all coated. We already sprayed the Ninja Crispi. Okay, should be good. All right, now let's add a little bit of MSG. And then we want to add our manure. And then we want to add our oyster sauce. Just a little bit. All right. Then some seasoning. This is celery, salt, onion powder, lemon pepper a little bit, salt, pepper, and that's it. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe a little more. That's enough. All right. Okay, down we are going to use some of this fried chicken mix that I got from Insan Market. And I got some in the bag. Go ahead and drop these flats in here. Okay. Shake it up. All right, they're nice and coated. This is already, like I said, it's already sprayed. Shake it off. Let's lay it in here. And then you can buy, it says you can buy more containers for it, which is a good thing. All right, I think all of these will fit in here. Let's scoot them over. Yeah. That's it? Okay. Yep, they all fit in here. So this is 9 wings. Don't ask me why I took out 9. I did it late last night. All right. Okay, we're ready. That's what it looks like in there. All right, we'll set this on top of here. It's nice and secure. And we want to put air fry. I want to set the time for, I'll do 25 minutes and I'll just check it in 12. Turn the wings then, and then start. Okay, we'll be back. All right, so it's 12. I'm gonna pick this up, and you can see these legs on here, so you can just sit it down without harming your countertop. And we can look here. It looks pretty good. We need to turn it though, but before I turn it, I need to spray it. Kind of get the white off of here. Spray a little bit. All right, now turn it. And it's crispy. Oh, be careful when you turn it though, because you don't want to tear the skin off of there. And once I turn it, I'll spray it again. And this is, I sprayed it with avocado oil spray. All right, let's do the remainder 12 minutes. Just sit it on there, hit start. All right, so I cut it off when it had 5 minutes left, because I feel like since they're flats, they're done. I took a tiny piece off and ate it. It was good. So that's what it's looking like. And I'll give you a close-up. So real quick, before I show you the wings, let me show you kind of what it looks like inside after you cook. And of course, you just take something and just, they say you can just lift this up out of there like that. And of course, you clean all of that, but minimal cleaning. So it looks real easy. And then on the top of here, as you can see, there's really nothing on here, but you can remove this part and of course wipe it down. But as you can see off in there, it's nothing. And here is what the wings look like. I like to eat mine with the sweet chili sauce, but this is what they look like and they are delicious. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna buy one. I think they're well worth it.